Yo, what is bro doing, bro? Bro, is that Vontae? What is that? Bro, yo, you know you can't sleep right here, right? Like, yo, get up. You know you can't sleep right here, right?
Not bad, bro.
This is private property, bro. You gotta get up.
Got nowhere to go, bro.
Nowhere to go? No! Like, how?
I was sleeping in my car, but I don't got my car no more.
Damn, bro. I'm sorry to hear that, bro.
They still Hellcats, so.
I got something for you, bro. I can't see you out here sitting like this, bro.
What you got?
Here, bro.
Fuck you looking at, nigga. Get the fuck out my car. Fuck wrong with you? The fuck is that shit? Alright. AMG on these niggas, boy. Don't run up on my AMG. Don't run up on this AMG. Fuck. Alright, YouTube. So, peak game, man. This right here is Red Rocket, man. 2019 GT63s, by the way, and as a stage one rim tech tune, so this I might do down pipes. I'm gonna do down pipes. I'm gonna get active, but I'm gonna get a little walk around the car, man. Let y'all see what's going on with Red Rocket, and we finna start with the engine. No cap. Oh shit. All right, y'all. So y'all don't know. Y'all pretty know. 4.4 liter twin turbo V8. Blah 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 blah. I took the cover off. So I can listen to so I can hear the blowout valve louder. This car got blowout valves, as I can see right there. When I get on that motherfucker, I hit it. It go like. It be doing that on God. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see when we go on our little drive and shit. We need to get the air intakes installed. It's not like the MA comp. It's not gonna sound as good as the MA comp with the turbo with it. But we're gonna slide to the back right here. Well, first we're gonna do 21-inch wheels. The E-Class had 20-inch wheels, so this is 21-inch wheels. Can I tell the difference? No. Does it feel heavier? Yeah. Type shit. GT63s on the back. Man, we got the black badging. I don't think the badging came black though. I mean, maybe. I don't know. I can't tell. We got the fixed wing right here. I did not want the automatic wing, bro. Like when it's down, it don't look right, bro. Then when it's up, it just looks small. So it's kind of like, let me just get the fixed wing, carbon fiber fixed wing at that. Black. So this car is actually indeed wrapped. The original color is like gray, like Hermes. Y'all know I miss Hermes. Shout out to Hermes. But yeah, it's great. So if y'all think I should unwrap it and wrap it something else, let me know. Well, if y'all rocking with this matte red wrap, let me know. I never had a red car before, so I'm kind of enjoying the whole red thing. The badging right here, V8 bi-turbo. Somebody put that on wrong. It's all good though. We're gonna fix that. And then, what do y'all think I should wrap it like? If I do re-wrap it, like what's some wrap ideas y'all got? I was thinking of some crazy shit. I don't want to tell y'all, but I was thinking of some crazy stuff. But there's like a graphic designer somewhere. Hit me up, twin, because I need to figure out. I want some crazy shit if I wrap this car. If I leave it alone, I just leave it alone. If I wrap it, I want some crazy shit. You come under here. I actually don't know how this works. Hopefully one day I find out. But these are vents. Like these open and close. I don't know why they're not opening now. If somebody know how to just automatically open them, let me know. I feel like if I'm in like race or sport plus and I hit the gas, it'll open up. But I never get to see that. So hopefully like one day I get to see those vents open up. My E-Class had that too. Shit, we might as well hop inside now. That's really it. We're gonna lift it up in the next video and get to see underneath. So in the meantime, yeah, let's do it. Yeah, we get the ambient lighter. I hear that shit. I hear that shit. Got some pops and shit. Y'all about to hear this blowout valve. Oh shit. Give or take. it depends on what it wants. It's like, all right, so if I go in comfort, right, that's worthless. If I go in comfort, it blows a lot more. Pause. No didn't. Like, what's up with that? Like, I don't know. With comfort, it blows more. But in like Sport Plus and shit, it be chilling. I don't know. I don't get it. But other than that, man, I am going to indeed start sliding this car. I have a traction control malfunction. I need to go get the software updated. The Rentec tune is kind of throwing different codes and shit, and it's not letting the car be. It's not letting the car be the car. Like it's like it's sick in a sense. I'm fucking with the AMG ski, man. Red Rocket is going stupid. This car's gonna be the beginning of new beginnings. Am I saying that right?
The next day.
Whoa! I sit back and I know you ain't never ever had my back. Guap beach. Girl, you so toxic, chocolate. She a real grace. Hell no, that Robin. Quit that foolishness.
Is that a gorilla? That nigga driving around in a Bobo Cat. This car is stage 1 tune, Rentec tune, and I'm thinking about taking it off because it ain't really riding right. Do got plans on going with a custom tune, so until then, I think we're gonna just go stop. Y'all know we got the M8 too. Just finna bring out a bunch of GT63s versus Grand Coupe M8. Like, I try to find videos of this shit, and it's really not that many. No black people. So yeah, we finna do that with the black community. AMG versus M Sport. What they call that? M Sport? M Competition? Competition. Look at this Bobo. Dump.
I got a Tesla.
You pull a gorilla on your car. Oh, he just want a Mr. Beast Tesla, y'all. That shit crazy. Mr. Beast is actually bringing it. It's getting delivered. When did he say it's getting delivered? After he finished doing the other 26, I think. But yeah, he looked up and got himself a Mr. Beast Tesla, which is actually great. I hope I get to meet that nigga so I can tell him how big of a YouTuber I'm finna be and I'm coming for his spot. We got a G-Wagon in front of us though. Oh my God, not no more. Come on. Fucking Honda right here. Honda Cat. Oh! He gonna make his presence be known. Oh, this car also has blowout valves, if y'all did not know. Let me see if I can get them going. I don't know, they work and then they blow and then they like, there you go. It's a bitch in a G-Wagon.
Girl's a black queen.
Shut the fuck up.
You know, I literally said I wanted a girl with a G-Wagon, right? You know this one? Should I try to bag?
Yeah, man.
She got an old G-Wagon though. Look at G-Wagon. That shit laggy, but it's cool. It's recording fine. She's not trying to pass me, bro. But she is an older lady. Grandma! Auntie! Come on! Auntie! That's somebody's grandma right there.
I hit.
How the fuck she get a G-Wagon? Her name Trinity VCU. Y'all know that girl? Y'all know this lady? Let me know in the comment section. I want to drive her G-Wagon. I want to take that bitch off-roading. Yeah, y'all know I want a girl with a G-Wagon. I've been asking for that for so long, bro. I want a bitch with a G-Wagon. Yo, if y'all driving, bro, don't do this, bro. This is bad. No, don't come over here, dude. What the fuck? His ass tripping. Oh, it's like a car accident or some shit going on right here. What the fuck? I'm finna get over and be nosy. I'm finna be nosy as shit. Oh, it's a car. Damn. Oh, that ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. It could have been worse. Oh! Man, the back of them F-150s, boy. I'm telling you. Yo ass hit an F-150. You better pray for it. The goddamn whatever you driving. Oh, damn. That ain't even the ambulance, twin. Oh, I was gonna hit that bitch as a state trooper right there. Oh, shit. Hey, what the You drive that?
I know you hate shit like that. And the last Charger we seen with rims on it, bro, he was disgusting. Little bit want to touch on my pee.
Niggas hating right now.
Rather buy a Benz, I want no friends. All right, come on, bro. Mr. Beast definitely gave you a Tesla. That shit crazy. Did you thank him at least?
I think so.
Motherfuckers rather repost it and get the Tesla than to tell her happy birthday. It's crazy because I don't know why this truck keep creeping up. Because I'm about to go. Bro, fuck. I tried to do race start. That shit ain't work. I ain't holding long enough.
Damn, 16 to 26 at Pat.
Yeah, buddy. I'm on that little shit ass. Where his shows at?
I should like the little things in the seat now because it's holding me when we go side to side.
Don't go 26s on the Charger, bro. The highest you can go is 22s, bro. And they gotta be either Ruchis or Forgis. What you mean, what the fuck?
What the hell that shit get built up?
You ain't never seen a Wells Fargo before? Oh yeah, so my camera died. I don't know when it died, but that motherfucker definitely died. But I'm gonna slide this shit.
Yo, look at all my followers, they really tag like people in this Mr. Beast post and then win. And I win.
You ain't chosen one, bro. You deserve the Tesla more than them. This the AMG right here, bro. I'm gonna call it Red Rocket, bro. This name is Red Rocket. You don't fuck with Red Rocket, bro?
I'm just thinking, man.
Thinking about that Mr. Beast Tesla that
I'm
you
just
just
thinking
won?
how niggas is like, go share another nigga post but not share yours.
Nah, facts. Niggas don't even know Mr. Beast personally.
Exactly, bro. They watch his videos and they don't know that nigga.
They don't even know nothing about that nigga. They don't even know his first name.
Exactly. I fuck with Canal Beastie.
Canal Beastie. This shit is crazy. But
Oh, your famous spot.
my famous spot? Nah, not no more. Damn, that truck over there look good. So what are you going? TRX? You like TRXs, bro?
I think I'm with the track, bro. That's really what I need, bro. I need that track. The TRS is gonna be the toy that I play with when I go mudding.
You go mudding?
Yeah, you're too fast. Damn.
You should get a 2-in-1, and I think you should get a Trailhawk.
Oh shit.
It's a Jeep, just like the Trailhawk, but only for off-roading.
Nah, that shit kind of slow.
I mean, yeah, it is slow,
Yeah,
but
that bitch not loud.
it is slow. But guess what?
Wow, what the fuck
You got
is
an
that?
off-road vehicle.
Nigga, go right there, Trailhawk.
Shit, it's probably one of them right there.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, man. So I'm not trying to do too much yapping, but man, this car right here is amazing. I think I did enough yapping in my main channel video. If y'all have not seen that, go to the link in the description. And that's the video I like. It coming out the trailer and all the good stuff, all the sweet, you know, getting juicy. Pause. No Diddy. That's all on that channel. But man, got the GT63s right here, bro. And this car's gonna be a starter to new beginnings, man. I'm not gonna lie. A start to new beginnings. I'm excited. I hope y'all excited, man. We finna get this shit popping. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm trying to see what's up with this tune, because right now I do plan on getting it tuned even further than what it's at now. Of course, I want to go down pipes and things like that. We just gotta find out, man. And this is wrap. If y'all did not know, it's like dark gray, like Hermes underneath. So, yeah, bro. Red Rocket is sexy as fuck, bro. Bro, look at the fucking Red Rocket, nigga. Look at the Red Rocket. Look at Red Rocket, bro. Oh my God. Shit looking beastie as hell, gang. I'm not gonna lie. Red Rocket is him. What should I do with those wheels, y'all? Let me know. They 21-inch wheels. What should I do with them? I'm thinking about swapping them out. Ooh. 2P, gang.